Yan, Nababa Kabalen. Welcome to Warren, Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly Timog Residences, because we were invited by B&B Residences. So pansin nyo guys, ito yung staycation natin for today. Diba? Ang ganda guys. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Let's start from the outside. Actually, yun nga. So, inside siya ng Timog Residences. So, notice yung mga bahay natin dito. Ito yung isa sa mga unique na design. So, yun, pasukin natin. Hi, baby! Hot Wheels! Okay, so yun guys, pagpasok mo dito, bubulga sa inyo itong living room area natin. So, yung living room area natin has luxurious sofa set. Napakaganda nila. In the middle of it, meron tayong large size LCD TV. Are you good? Okay, so let me tour you dun sa unang room dito sa staycation natin. But before that, meron tayong common comfort room dito. Ayan, so meron tayong toilet and bath. And then here is the first room. Ito yun guys, napakaganda nito. Simpleng luxurious. Pwede ba yun? Actually, parang ganyan yung nafe-feel ko dito. So, yung room natin na to can accommodate 2 persons. And then, meron din siyang sariling sala set. So, this is the first room. This is the mattress bedroom. Ito yung pinaka-spacious and at the same time, para sa akin, ito yung pinaka-luxurious na bed dito. Coming out from this room, meron tayong access palabas dito sa kanyang swimming pool area. So this is the swimming pool area. Size nito is small. However, what I like about it is, ayan guys, meron siyang sariling bubong. Naka-enclosed talaga siya from the sun. So you can enjoy any time of the day. Hindi ka maiinitan. And then from here, so meron na tayong dining area or the dining table. Nandito na siya. So yung dining table natin can accommodate up until 8 person. And then meron na tayong countertop. Ito yan guys. That section naman is yung ating kitchen. You clean the dishes, you cook, and prepare the dishes. Now dito rin, pansinin yung room na to. So this is the second room. Tara, pasokin natin. Nga guys, so na-mention ko kanina, yung kitchen area natin is equipped with refrigerator, rice cooker, water warmer, yung sink natin. Meron na rin tayong mga plates, mga utensils. And then here, sabi ko nga, you can actually cook. Ito yung gas range natin. From the kitchen, dining area, and the swimming pool, dito guys may access tayo pabalik dun sa living room area, which is this one. Ito, pabalik na tayo dito. So we're back. Although this is not meant to, you know, yung dirty kitchen, but ito yung indoor kitchen natin. Meron din tayong dining table din dito. Now, what I can make you feel guys is napaka-luxurious ng lugar na to. I think it's well decorated and interior designed. I like the, you know, color tones, yung mga textures and everything. Ang ganda rin ng mga ano natin dito. Cabinets, mga wares.